The disrespect is at an all-time high today.
Swerving, how you look so perfect on your worst days. Double C it purchase, you deserve it. Niggas in your DM, they be thirsty.
Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today is going to be a quick and easy video. As you can tell from the title, I'm going to be playing in some drugstore makeup. I'm actually getting ready to make a quick run with my mom, so I don't need a super beat face, but I need a beat face honey. So today I'm going to be using some of my favorite drugstore products to get just a flawless, fresh, everyday look. So if you're interested in seeing how I create my flawless everyday drugstore look, then stay tuned and continue watching. This pimple is just not letting me live at all today, but it's okay. I already did my brows. I never record myself doing my brows because I suck at it. I use this Wet n Wild lip pencil, basic. And then to clean up under my eyebrows, I use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee. So I'm gonna start off by priming my face, and to prime my face, I'm gonna be using the NYX Total Control Drop Primer. To prime my lids and to conceal my face, I'm going to be using the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer. And this is in the shade CW 7.5. I'm also going to mix in the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. And this is in the shade Hazelnut. I absolutely love the Maybelline concealer. It just gives me a nice soft matte finish, and I'm obsessed with that. Now I'm going to use my Real Techniques body blending sponge and just buff everything in. Blend everything in so it's all nice and seamless. Now to set my lids, I'm just going to use the NYX Hydra Touch Dehydration Foundation Powder, and this is in the shade Caramel. Now for foundation, I'm going to be using my holy grail. Literally, I wear this foundation every day, almost every occasion. I just love this foundation. I love the way it wears. I stand for it. I am a true fan of this foundation. And this is the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. This foundation right here, bomb. I need to use two shades because one is too dark and one is too light, and the two shades that I stand by is 360 Mocha and 355 Coconut. I use the 355 for the inner side of my face and then the 360 Mocha for the outer side of my face. This foundation is so full coverage, it's so matte, and I just absolutely love it. Ugh. Y'all know I love a full coverage beat even on a regular day. Again, I'm gonna just use my body sponge from Real Techniques, which is also found at your local drugstore or Target. Love this thing so much because it just gets the work done in a faster time. Now for my under eye concealer, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Dark Circles Eraser again. This time it's in the shade Caramel. calm light highlight. So we want to look like us, but Photoshop the blurred version of ourselves. We just want to look really flawless, awake, and ready to slay the day effortlessly. It's an effortless slay. I'm gonna just put a little more underneath my under eyes because I have bags right now. Make sure everything is like extra seamless, extra blended, nice and flawless, because we're going for such a simple look. We want to make sure everything is just blended out nicely. Man, these noises outside just won't let me live. The disrespect is at an all-time high today. To set underneath my eyes, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder, and this is in the shade Medium Deep 30. And now to set the rest of my face, I'm going to be using that same Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder, except this time it's in the shade Dark 40. For my contour, I'm going to be using the BH Cosmetics Studio Pro Contour Palette. Now, this isn't sold in the drugstore, but it is sold on BH Cosmetics website for a very affordable price. And this is just bomb. Like, look at all of the colors you have to play with. So for my contour, I'm going to be using this shade right here. More of a bronze-ish type of contour today because, like I said, we're going real basic. I like this for contouring. It's a natural contour. Then we're going to use this shade right here and right here for our nose. Perfect. Now to dust off my baking powder, I'm going to be using the NYX Hydro Touch Dehydration Powder Foundation, and this is in the shade Caramel. Now to blend out my entire face, I'm not going to use a drugstore product. This is actually from Sephora, but this is Holy Grail and I can't do a makeup look without it. This is, I believe, $20 in Sephora, so it is still affordable and it actually lasts a very long time. I love that. So I do feel like I'm missing some blush, but I don't have a blush that's drugstore related, I guess. It's like I've just been so spoiled off blush lately that I can't. So I'm gonna be using the Juvia's Place Sahara blush palette, and I'm gonna be using these two shades right here. Don't kill me. I feel so much better. Now that also is affordable, and that's also one of my favorite products that I can say is really affordable. Now I'm gonna quickly put some mascara on. And I'm using Maybelline's the Falsy Push Up Drama mascara. Like this mascara right here is life. I'm not putting too much on because I'm about to put my falsies on, so. We just really need a little bit of this. To set my entire face, I'm going to be using the NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. Now I'm going to go put on my MINK Nude lashes from my MINK Lash collection. MINK Nude is just super bomb. They're super natural, but super bomb. So I'm going to put those on and I'll be right back. Yes, honey. I just don't know how to act when I put my MINK Nude on now. I absolutely love these lashes. They're also affordable. They're $20 on my Beauty Loft website, and these are just bomb. These take any effortless look to just effortless glam look. Like, these are my go-to everyday pair of lashes. Stop playing around, go get you a pair. Now I'm gonna quickly just highlight my face since my camera is dying and I got to go. First, I'm gonna put some of this BH Cosmetics bronzer on my cheeks. Give me a pre-glow. Calm pre-glow. Then I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Master Chrome Face Studio highlighter, and this is in the shade 100. Ooh, yes, honey. Alright, honey. Get my nose some more. Can't forget the chinny chin chin. For my lip gloss, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. Lip Plumping lip gloss, and this is in the shade Mocha Twist. I've just been loving lip pumping lip glosses lately. They give a nice tingle. Then I'm going to just let my hair down. Ooh, yes, honey. Shot my Full Lace Wigs 2 dolls. Poppin'. They come in jet black, and they're 150 density, and they're just bomb. So there we have it, my everyday flawless effortless makeup look using my favorite drugstore and affordable makeup products. What do you think? I'm loving it. Absolutely loving it. If you dolls love this video, give me a thumbs up. If you dolls would like to see more videos like this, give me another thumbs up. Let me know what videos you would like to see in the comment section below. I'll link all of the products in my description box along with my hair and lash links. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you dolls in my next video. Bye, dolls.